We're going to brunch. I'm just getting ready for brunch now. I have to be ready by 11:45 and it's 10:30. And me and my cousin just had like this little issue where we wanted to wear like kind of the same thing, and yeah, we figured that out. Now we're not wearing the same thing. Obviously there's only one item and two of us. So I also left my big sippy at Dina's house. I'm so upset. I wanted to go tanning too this morning. I couldn't even go tanning because the tanning salon opens late. I was supposed to be getting ready 30 minutes ago, but I took a shower. I put K18 in my hair because I just restocked on a bigger one. I used to have the small one. Look at the difference. Such a difference in size. And the small one lasted me like 4 months. And I used it basically every single time I washed my hair. I'm gonna blow dry my hair off camera real quick because I don't want my battery to die, and also you probably don't want to hear the blow dryer. I think I'm just gonna do like a 90s blowout type of vibe because I always do like a curly blowout, and today I'm not really feeling that, but it is raining. So maybe I should do some sort of minor curls. I don't know. But before I do anything else, I'm going to saturate my hair in this heat protectant and humidity spray from IGK. And then I think once I'm done, I'm probably just going to like hairspray it with the Got To Be Glued. But not so much where it's like annoying. Kind of just like brushable, but still good, you know? We're good now. I'm choking on it. Alright, now I'm gonna blow dry my hair. I'll come back before I do my makeup, and then I'll show you my outfit options. Then I'll be ready. I'm so excited. So I just finished putting rollers in my hair. I actually literally look like George Washington, and they're kind of like a little messed up on this back one, but it's alright. We'll figure that out when the time comes. But it's 11:10. That kind of took me a long time. Yeah, let's move on to my options of things to wear. So both dresses are from White Fox. I wanted to wear this dress. It has these little leather detailings, and along the bottom of the dress too it has the leather detailing, which is so cute. Or I have this pink dress, also from White Fox, which is also so cute, and it's so comfy and you look snatched. So I don't know, both dresses I'm gonna wear the same heels, same bag. I'm gonna do my makeup kind of the same way, so it doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna do like a bronzy smoky eye. So the reason why we're going to brunch today is to celebrate me to celebrate me and my cousin's graduation. I just want to like clip these back. Okay, now I can like do my makeup on my forehead and whatnot. So I already prepped my face. I kind of just have the same skincare routine as normal. I just tone my face, put on a little bit of moisturizer, let that sit and chill. I also do the, oh my god, look at this. I also do the Mary Phillips contour technique that she does in like Haley and Kendall. I feel like it just comes out better when you contour before you highlight. Okay, I will come back when I'm like basically almost done with my makeup and just doing the finishing touches, and then we can chit chat because I'm kind of in a rush, and me rushing trying to do my makeup when I have to take photos just really isn't the vibe. I kind of want to take my time, and I can't think of anything to talk about while I'm doing my makeup in speed around mode. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so now that I'm done with like my base makeup type of vibes, hold on, because on camera it doesn't really look super blended the way it looks in the mirror. And I need it to look super blended because with the bit. Now I just want to take out my rollers. I think it's like 11:20 or something. I just looked at the clock not that long ago. This is stuck in my hair. I actually hate these clips because it's like every time I use them, it always gets stuck in my hair. The most annoying thing in the whole entire world. And it always gets stuck to like little pieces of your hair that hurt. Super annoying. Ow. Okay. I'm liking so far. I like. Okay. Major slay going on right now. Now for the other side, we can only pray it looks just as nice, right? I don't like the way that these bangs are on the side, and that's gonna bug me. Whatever, it's okay. I think I'll be okay. I think. Wait. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna be okay. That's not okay. It's really just one piece of my hair that I always have a problem with. Like one tiny kink in my hair, and it is the most irritating thing. And now one side's gonna be all... Oh no, I fixed it. Alright. I'm just gonna put it in a roller one more time, just because. It's some lip liner. Honestly, wait. I'm gonna figure out what I'm wearing as a dress first. And I think I need to go get my shoes from upstairs. I'm wearing either these closed-toed black heels that are like pointy, or I might just do like these open-toed black strappy heels. I'm horrible at this. Totally forgot I was vlogging. I put on lip gloss. I've been using the Fenty Heat. This is in the shade Hot Cherry. That's what it is. And it is the most natural color in the whole entire world. Like, I'm obsessed with it. Like, nothing beats that. I just recently got my third hole pierced in my ear, and we just did like a little stacky. This one's like so far away from the other ones, and then this one's like so close. I don't know, I feel like they're pretty even, right? I don't know. Either way, I ended up going with the pink dress because the pink dress just sleeves, and I'm gonna wear these shoes, my little Valentino bag that I got for Christmas. I'm gonna do that. I'm waiting for my friends to come and pick me up. But once I don't have to drive, I feel like I drive everywhere. Every single time I go out with my friends, I'm always the person to drive, always. Because when I was 17, I got into a super bad car accident, and ever since that day, I'm like, nope, once I get my license, that's it. No one's driving me anywhere. I'm driving, that's it. And ever since that day, I've been driving, literally. So, ow. I'm debating on if I should put my contacts in or not. I feel like I would rather just not see. I don't know. Maybe I'll just bring my glasses if anything, but I'm super excited for my brunch. I'm definitely vlogging at brunch. If you don't already have this spray, you really need it.
Bro, it's literally monsooning outside. Please look at this. This is where this guy's just running with his shirt off. What the fuck? Why is he just running outside? First of all, I'm soaking wet. Soaking wet. Thank God I didn't wear my heels, bro. I just brought them. I brought slides instead. I brought slides too, but I was wearing my heels. Dude. My outfit actually came out mad cute. Dude. Alright, we're going to get me in. Hi, drink. The one thing I needed this whole entire time because I'm so anxious. I want a mimosa. So get one. I'm anxious. Planning is hard. Liz! Everyone's here now. Fries and fish. Everyone's ready to snack. I'm just chilling. Mostly I'm like not chilling. I'm kind of anxious. So I'm going to put it better.
Oh my God, there's a Blanca.
Things are getting crazy over here behind me and Ginger. What's the matter with you? Oh my God. Y'all are so mad. Anxiety. Oh God.
We got cheese. I forgot.
Get a video of you and Reggie. Reggie, you're never good for another roaster. Wine with it.
Join on the YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Hi YouTube, my name is John. Nice to meet you.
Maybe your friend. That's my boyfriend.
That's my girlfriend.
Oh, go, Snappy, go! Go, AJ, go! Okay, go. Is it recording? It is recording. You see right here, it's a second. Hi, guys. Yeah, the three best friends that overall, I hate you. What? You heard me? I said it with my chest. It's always a fun time here. taking selfies. Go, Dina! Savannah is just taking selfies. What's going on? We out here at my brunch, at our brunch.
Guys, hold on one second.
It looks so fun, it's really not. Someone take them away from him!
This is the sound of the fucking.
Oh, I'm scared. Oh shit. Why are they in glass frame? I don't. That one's too hard. No, I'm not. Stay stretches! I don't like this one anyway.
Everybody's having a great time. I was supposed to fly. I'm a flyer.
We're celebrating a week back.
Happy graduation, Alyssa! What? The end of brunch? We had such a good time.
I put on some lip gloss. I'm feeling good, feeling fly, feeling as I should be. You already know the vibes. You know that?
I don't know, I'm so awkward, guys. What's in there? Nothing. Intelligence.